Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Contactless Hand Sanitizer Dispensing System, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. Contactless hand sanitizers use LDR and infrared rays which malfunction sometimes due to ambient light. This project uses ultrasonic sensor to detect hands and dispense the right amount of sanitizer. The key parts we need here are an Arduino Nano board, 10 kilo ohm potmeter, HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor and many more. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.